Quick and healthy Japanese recipes. Have you ever contemplated the delightful world of Japanese cuisine and its potential to offer not only delicious but also quick and healthy meal options? Japanese food has gained international acclaim not just for its exquisite flavors but also for its emphasis on balance, nutrition, and presentation. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In our exploration of quick and healthy Japanese recipes, we delve into the art of Japanese cooking, unveiling the secrets of how to prepare delectable dishes in a time-efficient manner without compromising on health or taste. Get ready to embark on a journey that showcases the magic of Japanese culinary traditions and leaves you curious about how you can incorporate these quick and healthy recipes into your culinary repertoire. 1. The allure of Japanese cuisine. Our journey begins with an acknowledgement of the universal appeal of Japanese food, celebrated for its rich heritage, enticing flavors, and health-conscious ingredients. 2. Quick and healthy cooking principles. Japanese cuisine places great emphasis on fresh and seasonal ingredients, making it ideal for quick and healthy meal preparation. We'll explore the principles that guide these recipes. 3. Sushi and beyond. While sushi is a well-known Japanese dish, Japanese cuisine offers an array of other dishes, from donburi rice bowls to stir-fries. We'll delve into the variety of recipes at your disposal. 4. Umami and flavor enhancement. Umami, often described as the fifth taste, plays a significant role in Japanese cuisine. We'll discuss how umami-rich ingredients enhance flavor in these quick and healthy recipes. 5. Ingredients and their health benefits. Japanese recipes are often rich in nutrient-dense ingredients such as seafood, vegetables, and whole grains. We'll explore the health benefits of these ingredients. 6. Time-efficient preparation. Efficiency in the kitchen is a hallmark of Japanese cooking. We'll share tips and techniques that make quick preparation possible without compromising the quality of the dishes. 7. Balanced eating and portion control. Portion control and balance are central to Japanese eating habits. We'll discuss how these principles contribute to the overall healthiness of Japanese recipes. 8. The journey to culinary delight. In conclusion, quick and healthy Japanese recipes is a testament to the fact that preparing nutritious and flavorful meals isn't just about spending hours in the kitchen, it's about recognizing the potential of Japanese cuisine to offer quick and healthy options that satisfy your taste buds and nourish your body. As we embark on this journey into the world of quick and healthy Japanese recipes, you'll discover the transformative potential of Japanese culinary traditions. It's a journey of embracing the art of quick and healthy cooking, mastering the harmonious balance of flavors, and elevating your culinary repertoire with the delicious and nutritious dishes of Japan. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.